Will investing in the SBI Life Smart Swadhan Supreme Plan help you achieve your financial goals in the long run? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. So this is an individual non-linked, non-participating life insurance savings product with a return of premium. So some of the key features of the policy are: this policy covers you at an affordable cost to protect yourself, and you can also pay your premium regularly or for a limited period like 7, 10 or 15 years. And there is a flexibility in choosing the policy term from 10 years to 30 years, and you also get 100% of your total premiums paid as a maturity benefit, and you also get to avail tax benefits as per the prevailing norms under the Income Tax Act of 1961. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit and maturity benefit. Now let us take a look at the advantages of investing in this policy. So the advantages are: the policy term, premium paying term, and premium paying frequency can be chosen as per your convenience. However, the disadvantages are: there is no loan facility available under this product, and also there is no loyalty addition or any bonus available under this plan. So the premium paid is returned at maturity without any value addition. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, if you want to know more about these aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of the policy brochure's benefit illustration to help us make a more informed decision. So that's why we are going to conduct an IRR analysis. For calculation, let us assume that Ms. Sharma, a 30-year-old corporate worker, chooses this policies for a life insurance coverage of 1 crore over 30 years. So she pays the premiums regularly. Her premium for this life cover is 22,284 rupees per annum. So the total premium paid for the 30 years amounts to 6.68 lakhs. This amount is returned at maturity. So analyzing the cash flow, we find that the IRR is completely zero. So in this policy, there is no other additional benefit other than life cover. But the life cover premium is costlier compared to a pure term life insurance policy. So let us now do a comparative analysis to help us understand more about how this policy or life cover or other investment vehicles can perform better when invested separately. So we are going to see, for life cover purpose, how economically you can avail a pure term life insurance policy for the same sum assured of 1 crore. This shows the difference in premium and how we could optimize the surplus premium. So for a sum assured of 1 crore, a pure term life insurance policy will cost you just 11,100 rupees per annum. So the policy term and premium paying term is 30 years. So in the earlier example, for the same metric, the premium is 22,284 rupees. So here you can save 11,184 rupees by opting for a pure term life insurance policy. And you could invest these savings in any instrument of your choice. Thereby you can accumulate a better corpus than SBI policy. So here in this tabular column, we have depicted two scenarios by investing the surplus amount in PPF or ELSS. One is a risk-free product, one is a product which has risk. So this is to show you how your returns could differ based on risk and risk-free products, and also how you can utilize those premiums that you save from the surplus. So under the PPF account, as you can see, the final maturity value is 11.52 lakhs. So the IRR for pure term policy along with PPF investment results in 3.31%. One might think the return is lesser than the inflation rate. So we would like to highlight the fact that they charge you more premium for the same sum assured. This extra premium could be directed towards investment. At the end of 30 years, you will get better corpus compared to SBI life policy. But there is a capital gains tax which applies under ELSS fund if you suppose invest in ELSS while redeeming the units. So the pre-tax value here is 30.22 lakhs, and we need to set aside the tax liability of the proceeds, which you can get from the ELSS tax calculation tabular column we have presented on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this leaves you with an after-tax maturity value of 27.02 lakhs. So the IRR calculation for pure term policy plus ELSS combination results in 7.95%. So this is calculated on the post-tax return. The rate of return here is higher than the inflation rate, and you could accumulate a sizable corpus at the end of 30 years. So what is the final verdict? Is investing in the SBI Life Smart Swadhan Supreme plan worth it or not? This is a modified pure term life insurance policy where the death benefit is paid or else the premium is returned on survival. So this feature may look catchy for an investor, but unfortunately you have to pay extra to avail the benefit. This extra premium can be invested as per your preference. So this investment will yield you better than the return of premium under SBI Life policy. So beware of insurance agents who try to sell you the SBI Life policy for their own agent commission. For insurance basket, without profit or without return of premium policy is the right choice. A pure term life insurance policy offers you higher coverage at an affordable premium. This will protect your family from uncertainties. So before choosing an insurance policy, understand the benefits in detail.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.